at home what to do for the bar. My recommendation is always to limit your bar. Beer and wine and a signature cocktail. You could do one or two if you like. For fall, apple cider is readily available in the supermarkets and it's delicious, so why not incorporate it for a signature cocktail? For today's cocktail, we're gonna make a whipped cream apple pie. This cocktail is so easy and it just needs whipped cream vodka, champagne, and apple cider. To garnish the champagne glasses, I'm gonna use a cinnamon and sugar mixture, a little bit of apple cider I put on a plate, so I'm just going to dab the apple cider on the rim to sugar that cinnamon and sugar. So the glasses look beautiful. And I would do this ahead of time before guests arrive. I would do a couple of these to get them ready and then set up a little station so guests can help themselves. Put these. We're gonna put a little whipped cream vodka. Now I just happen to have this and a lot of times liquor stores will sell these around the holidays. But you can use any flavor. There's caramel, there's all different flavors, or you could just use regular vodka if you don't have any. I'm gonna use some champagne in these glasses. About halfway full, and then I'm gonna top it off with the apple cider. And then you can have the apple cider on the side. For the children, they can just have some apple cider by itself. So. That beautiful fall color. It matches our decor and it tastes delicious. Just garnish it with a few little apples.